guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the newest Pūrilisse launch. So if you would like to see what is in this box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I just got done filming a Ipsy video for you guys, and I wanted to open this. I got this a couple days ago from Pūrilisse, so I wanted to see what was in it. Oh my gosh. It looks like juicy lip tint moisturizers. So what we are going to do is we're going to go through here and we're going to swatch these and see what they are giving. So let's get into it. So we have 7 lip tints, and we're going to start out with the pink one, and we're going to see if they give color. Are they... Oh my gosh, look at the lip part. That is so cute. Okay, so let's squeeze a little bit out of the first one. Oh my goodness, this has got major tint. Look at that. And this one is called Ink Shine. Okay, so there's the first one. These are just beautiful. And here is this one. It is called Plum Shine. Oh, I love that one. So there's Plum Smoke, or Plum Shine. And then we have Berry Shine. Let's see how much darker this one is than the plum. Ooh. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are cute. I'm going to take my lipstick off in a minute, and I'm going to try a couple of them. And then we got the Nude Shine. There's Nude. And then we got Sunset Shine, which is an orange. There's that orange one. That's called Sunset Shine. And then here is Coral Shine. And there's Coral. And the last one is Ruby. So it is a red. Oh, look at that red! Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Let me take my lipstick off and we'll be right back. I love these right here. That one would be good. I'm not really big into oranges, but we're going to try them. Let's try the pink one first and see what the formula is like. Because swatching it, you can't really tell. So here's the pink one. I love how it just fits right on your lip. I love that. So here's the pink. I want to do the purple too. Okay. All right, let's go into Plum Shine. Let's see what that... The formula feels really nice. It glides right on. Let's see what purple looks like. Oh my gosh, I love it. So here is the purple. The first one. I'm going to put a little bit more and see if you can deepen it. Oh my gosh, and you can. So you can build up the coverage of the lip tint. Juicy Lip Tint Moisture. Juicy Tint Lip Moisture. Has agave and mango butter. Nourishes lightweight, visible, plumper, softer lips for all skin types. Okay. Now we're going to try a few more with Berry Shine. Here is Berry Shine. And you can build them up, so I can make it darker than this. I'm going to try the red one. I probably won't wear the orange ones, but I will give them to someone that will. Let's try the red. Holy cow. And, of course, you could put, like, a lip liner on and then maybe ombre your lips and then put this in the middle. That would be so pretty. Or put one of these in the middle. But, oh, wow. There is the red. Those are really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm going to line my lips and just put on one of these lip tints. Go in with the Share Lip Pencil by Gerard Cosmetics. Okay, I have on my lip pencil, and now I'm going to go in with Plum Shine. Oh my God, I just love this. I love these. Oh, and it makes your lips feel really nice. So this is the Plum Shine with the Share Lip Pencil from Gerard Cosmetics. So you can use them on top of lipstick, on top of a lip that's already done. It gives your lips a nice hydrating feeling. It just feels really, really nice on the lips. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And please go check out these new lip tints from Pūrilisse. I will leave the link in the description. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye.